Create a new services RFQ or purchase order. Hover over main menu stores and select orders. Click on the New button. Select services from the PO type drop-down. Enter a short description in the description field. Use the filter to select a supplier. From the task card option drop-down, select the option Existing Task Card, to link the RFQ to an existing task card in a maintenance work pack, or New in Selectable WP to automatically create a new task card in the selected work pack. If New in Selectable WP has been chosen in the task card option drop-down list, it is compulsory to enter the task detail in the supplier's info. Click on Insert. This will create the RFQ ID. Edit existing task detail of a RFQ. Click on Edit in the purchase order part or item detail. Quantity will remain 1 as it is a service. Enter a planned date. The task card will have been selected upon creating the RFQ PO. Unit will be on each by default. Enter a unit cost from RFQ. Edit supplier info if necessary. This will not change the task detail if the task card option was selected to be an existing task card. Click on Update. Authorize RFQ. After all additional editing has been done, a user with the correct access rights will authorize the RFQ. The RFQ will be allocated a purchase order number. Send the purchase order to the supplier. Send the purchase order to the supplier by printing the purchase order to PDF or by making use of the Email to Supplier option available from the reports. When the service has been carried out and the CRMA has been received, enter it into stock or issue to the selected task card. Receive a services purchase order. Hover over main menu stores and select orders. Select the purchase order from the drop-down list of open POs. Click on the Receive Quick Link button on the left side of the screen. In the receipt window, select the No Shipment option from the Shipment Selection drop-down list, as this is a services PO. Select an open GRV number or create a new GRV. To create a new GRV, click on New, select the foreign currency, enter the currency rate to be used on the GRV, enter the supplier invoice, waybill and VAT. Click on Insert. Note, the VAT is only entered for reference and is not calculated in the total cost of the part. If the GRV should be closed upon receipt, make sure the GRV tick box is selected. If the shipment should be closed upon receipt, make sure the Ship tick box is selected. Tick the Issue tick box to issue the purchase order to the task card upon receipt. Services purchase orders must always be issued upon receipt. Select the All tick box, as there is only one item on a services PO. Edit the item details by clicking on the blue Edit icon on the status block. Edit if required. Select Receive to enter the service purchase order onto the work pack. Notifications will appear as pop-ups on the screen. Accept. Rotable purchase orders. Receiving an unserviceable part into stores. Create a RFQ and purchase order. Create a task card on the maintenance work pack for the removal of the part if it is removed from an aircraft. Hover over main menu stores and select orders. Click on the New button. Select Rotable from the PO type drop-down. Enter a short description, such as unserviceable part to be received into stores, in the description field. Use the filter to select the company name to which the database belongs to as the supplier. Select the relevant part number from the default PO item information field. If the part does not exist in the database, press the blue New Parts button and enter the part details. From the Task Card option drop-down, select the option No Task Card. Click on Insert. This will create the RFQ ID. The receipt of an unserviceable part into stores will not require editing as the quantity will remain 1 and unit cost will remain 0. This part will be received directly into stores. A user with the correct user access will authorize the RFQ. The RFQ will be allocated a purchase order number. Receive the unserviceable part into stores. Click on the Receive Quick Link button on the left side of the screen. In the receipt window, select No Shipment, as there will be no freight or extra costs. Enter US part in the GRV supplier invoice field for reference. Tick the GRV selection box to close the GRV upon receipt. Untick Issue as the part is to remain in inventory. Select the All tick box. Edit the line item by clicking on the Edit icon under Item. Select Unserviceable under the Invent Status drop-down. Enter the part serial number under Reference. When all fields have been edited for the inventory line item, select the blue tick button on the left side of the screen. Click on the red Receive button. AMS will provide the user with a confirmation message when the inventory has been received. The part will be received into stores as an unserviceable part with the serial number, which will be selectable when the rotable PO is created. General Purchase Orders. General purchase orders are used for general purchases not relating to aircraft maintenance or consumables used within the AMO. Create a new general purchase order. Hover over Main Menu Stores and select Orders. Click on the New button. Select General from the PO type drop-down. Enter a short description, such as cleaning materials, in the description field. Use the filter to select a supplier. Click on the tag icon and enter the part number in the Store Part Selection filter. If additional filtering is required, enter the part description, select the part group filter or tick the stock filter to show only parts in stock. Select the part number from the filtered parts list drop-down. Click on Select Part. If required, enter a note for supplier's info. Click on Insert.